Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara as well. So guys, we have Vishwajit Anand on our channel who has recently cracked TCS, which was for on campus. So guys, I'll just tell you that Vishwajit got a lot of offers from on campus hiring. So yeah, he appeared for a lot of on campus. So he would be sharing his experience for TCS as of now. So yeah, Vishwajit, you can start with it.
So, hi, I am Vishwajit. Currently, I am pursuing my degree from Vellore Institute of Technology, and I will graduate in 2022. So, TCS came in our college on 12th of August, and registration start for the TCS. So, we registered in the TCS Next portal,
Hmm.
and after on 14th of September, we have the exam. On 12th of September, we got the mail that your exam is scheduled for the TCS Ninja hiring,
Hmm.
and my exam was on 14th September. And so there were three assessments. Like first assessments was aptitude section,
Hmm.
second was English section, and third was coding round.
Okay.
And in coding round, two question was there, and one question was easy, and second question was little bit difficult, means medium level. And I was only able to answer the one coding question in that. And I think if you can code one question, you will be shortlisted for the interview. So I was only able to solve the one coding question. And in the aptitude section, it was a little bit tough, I think, because for every question you got some timer set. So it will be very difficult to solve in that timer set if you are not if you have not good practice for the aptitude. So this was the aptitude section, and if you have good practice, you can clear the aptitude section. And for the English section, it was easy one. English section was easy one. And one more thing in the test pattern was that you can't navigate between the question. So maybe it will be aptitude or quants or reasoning. You can't navigate between the question. So after the test on the 1st of October, we got the shortlisted student for the interview round from the college,
Hmm.
and my name was there. I have given exam on 14th September, and I got shortlisted for New York, and my interview was scheduled on 1st of October. Okay, so in the interview round, in there were three-person in the panel. One was TR, one was HR, and one was MR. And everyone was asking question. Everyone means like one has finished, you have given the answer, and then in the instant second will ask, and you have to give them on the answer, and instant third will ask, and you have to give the answer to them. So three in the panel, three-person was there. So first of all, they asked me as simple, where are you from? You are in the college, or you are in the or where are you? Are you in the hometown? Like this question. So they first and then asked me about the explain about your projects. So I explained about the projects. So they asked me about that, like in the in this interview, in the TCS interview, it was little bit different from the other company's interview. Like in the other company interview, if you will give, they don't ask about your CGPA, or why is your CGPA less, or why is your CGPA like, means like this thing. So in this interview, they asked me that what is your CGPA. So I told him the CGPA. My CGPA was below it, means above, means below it. So I told him, sir, my CGPA is this. He told me that why is your CGPA less as compared to other students? As compared to other students have CGPA more than you. So I think they are checking my honesty, because in the while filling the form, you have to give everything if you have any backlogs or anything in the college life. So I think they are checking my honesty, is this person is honest or not. So I told him clearly, that sir, in my college I have backlogs, so that's my I cleared them. I have no backlogs, so my CGPA is still less from the other student. So they asked me about which branch are you from. So I told him my branch. So they asked me some question based on my branch, like explain OSI model and what are the different layers of TCP IP protocol, like this. So they asked me, and also they asked me that which language you prefer, which language you like. So I told him the Java.
Hmm.
and they asked me that which subject you like most in the Java. So I told him the OOPS concept. So they asked me about the OOPS concept, general OOPS concept, the four pillars of the OOPS concept. They asked me, and they asked me that explain all the four pillars of OOPS concept, and with the example, and with the real life example, all the four pillars with real life example. So I told him that, I gave him the answer. And HR question were there, like relocation, why Tata, like this question, are you suitable for the shiftings, like this question. So this was my TCS interview, and it went very well. So, and one more question they asked me, and which is your favorite subject? Okay, which is your favorite subject? So I told him that my favorite subject is maths. So they asked me, you belong from this branch, so why not any subject from this branch is your favorite subject? They asked me, they cross questioned me. So I told him the answer in the very right way. So they were impressed by my answer.
How
So
we
like I
explained?
told him that, if you are, so I explained him that, suppose I am comfortable in any subject. So if you asked me any subject from my branch, if you asked me any question, and if you ask me any question from the maths, so I will be more comfortable in maths rather than my branch subject. And I think, sir, so they asked me, so they told me that math is a regular subject, everyone is studying maths, like this only. They cross questioned me. So I told him that, sir, maths is also used in my branch subject also. Without the maths, we can't clear our that subject. We will get the backlogs if we have not good maths knowledge. So he agreed with me. So he agrees with me. So that's why this is the way which I have given the answer of that question.
Okay, great, great. Greatly handled the situation actually.
Yeah.
Okay. So any other questions? I mean, or this was it? I mean, how long was your interview approximately?
My interview was around, I think, 30 to 40 minutes interview. 30 to 40 minutes interview.
Okay, okay. And so I wanted to know, I mean, for students who are watching that, is there any kind of bond in TCS once you're
TCS, no, I don't think there is a, on campus, I don't think there is a bond. I am not remembering correctly, but if there will be a bond, then I think maximum of 1 year bond will be there. But I don't think there is any bond in the TCS.
okay, okay, no problem. Any, I mean, special, preparation, I mean, process for TCS?
So I will tell the student who are still giving the TCS examination in the future. So TCS sends one DRC test and IRC test, like this. So for the TCS, please attempt any one of that, because you will be comfortable for the timing of the question. You will be comfortable while giving the final exam, final assessment. So please give one of that assessment, because I have given one of that assessment. Unfortunately, I was not knowing that. I was only knowing that, so that IRC exam I have to give. I was knowing that, so I give, but I gave the test. But later on, I come to know that this was only the system check process, like this. But this helped me a lot in my final assessment, because with the timing thing, you will be matched in the final assessment. So please give any one of the test, like IRC or DRC, whichever they will send. So
Mm,
please give one of the test. I will suggest you that.
okay. Is it a kind of mock test you want to say?
Yeah, mock test or
Okay.
IRC test and DRC test, they send a mail like, this is the DRC test, IRC. So please give that. And uh, and go to the, if you want to practice more and more, go to their next portal. There will be some aptitude question uploaded in their next portal, like which we have got from the TCS mail, that this is uploaded in the TCS next portal. If you want to practice, you can practice. So practice that also. This will be helpful for you in the final exam.
Okay, great.
And in the coding question, and many of I was seeing that many of them asking was that, what about the coding section, if I have not given any right answer of a means I have not able to solve any coding question, will I be shortlisted or not? So as per my analysis, at least one question should you should solve for the shortlisting of the interview. At least one question with the all test case passed. At least
Hmm.
one.
Okay, okay, great. Fine. So, fine, Vishwajit, that you explained the TCS complete, TCS Ninja, profile. How was it? That is on campus. So, guys, don't mix up with on campus and on campus. But yes, still you will be getting knowledge about the interview experience, which Vishwajit told that what kind of questions are being asked, whether it's technical or whether it's HR related questions. So, and I mean, there was a technical. Now, I have a question in mind that there was a technical HR and MR. So, what kind of MR,
Yeah.
questions were there?
So MR question, I think there were no MR question for me, as I am remembering now. So I think basically TR and HR question was for me, as I am
Hmm.
remembering, no MR question. Also asked me that how you they asked in the interview that how you prepared for the TCS Ninja hiring. They also
Okay.
asked me that how you prepared for the
Hmm.
TCS Ninja hiring and how you prepared for the interview process. Like this, they asked me.
Okay. So, what was your answer here?
So simply, I told him that, sir, from the TCS Next portal, I was mainly focusing on giving the reference of the Tata only. So I told him that, sir, I practiced more from the TCS Next portal and I have practiced from the IRC test which you have sent to us. So that was the basic of the preparation for the final assessment. So I told him that. And for the interview process, sir, I also visited like Glassdoor, Geeks for Geeks. I took help from them, and not much for that. And simply I just revising my concepts like and projects and my resume. Simply I told him that.
Okay, that's great that you took the reference of Tata itself. That I mean, how
Yeah, you can took the reference of
yes,
Tata.
yes,
Yeah.
great. So fine, Vishwajit, thank you for sharing your, immense knowledge and your experience with people out there who are, waiting and, eager to join companies like big companies, MNCs. So yes, I hope this video would be like helpful for them. So thank you so much, and yes, all the best for your future journey with the company you join. I hope you grow as soon. So till then, guys, you can subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. Have a great day. Be safe, guys. Take care.